Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte gaming box driver download. So first you have to come this side and after it click on search and then enter the model number AORUS RTX 4090 gaming X gaming box and then hit enter. And then click on the product and then click on box and then click on support and then select on the operating system Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same, NVIDIA driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. And after that click on three dot and go to download, click to download. So you can see it is start downloading and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After it open this location where it is downloading, okay, then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. And then click on install. After that this is extracting to your system. Now you can see this is installing, so it will take some time. and it is low after installed, then close it.